Have you ever wondered how medications work in the body, how they can help us overcome diseases and illnesses, relieve pain and discomfort? This is the field of pharmacology, and today we'll be discussing the general principles behind it. Pharmacology is the study of how drugs interact with biological systems, including the human body. It covers a wide range of topics, from the discovery and development of new drugs to the ways in which drugs are metabolized and eliminated from the body. Understanding pharmacology is important not only for healthcare professionals, but for anyone who takes medications. The first step in developing a new drug is to identify a target in the body that is involved in the disease process. This could be a receptor, enzyme, or another type of molecule. Scientists then design molecules that can interact with this target, either by blocking it or stimulating it. Next, they use computer models and experimental techniques to screen these molecules and identify the ones that are most likely to be effective and safe. This is a long and complex process that can take years, and many potential drugs never make it past this stage. Once a drug has been developed, it needs to be tested in clinical trials to determine its safety and efficacy in humans. These trials are conducted in several phases, starting with small groups of healthy volunteers and progressing to larger groups of patients with the target disease. During these trials, doctors and researchers carefully monitor the patients to ensure that the drug is safe and effective. They also study how the drug is metabolized and eliminated from the body, as well as any side effects that may occur. Once a drug has been approved by regulatory agencies such as the FDA, it can be marketed and sold to patients. When a patient takes a drug, it enters the body and interacts with various molecules and systems. The drug may bind to a receptor, block an enzyme, or affect other biochemical processes. One important concept in pharmacology is the idea of pharmacodynamics, which refers to the study of how drugs affect the body. This includes how the drug interacts with specific receptors or enzymes, and how it affects the biochemical processes that they are involved in. Another important concept is pharmacokinetics, which refers to the study of how the body processes drugs. This includes how the drug is absorbed into the body, how it is distributed to various tissues, how it is metabolized by the liver and other organs, and how it is eliminated from the body. Pharmacology also involves understanding the various factors that can affect how a drug works in the body. These include things like a patient's age, weight, and overall health status, as well as other medications that the patient may be taking. It's important to remember that all drugs have the potential to cause side effects. These can range from mild, such as drowsiness or nausea, to more serious, such as liver damage or allergic reactions. Patients should always talk to their healthcare provider about any concerns they have about their medications. Finally, it's important to understand that medications are not always the only solution to a health problem. Lifestyle changes such as exercise, healthy diet, and stress management can also be effective in preventing and treating many diseases. In conclusion, pharmacology is a complex field that involves the discovery, development, and use of drugs to treat diseases and improve health. Understanding the general principles of pharmacology can help patients make informed decisions about their health care and ensure that they get the most benefit from their medications. Thank you for watching, and be sure to talk to your healthcare provider if you have any questions or concerns about your medications. Disclaimer: the information presented in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have heard or seen in this video. The creators of this video make no representations or warranties of any kind, express or implied, about the completeness, accuracy, reliability, suitability, or availability with respect to the information, products, services, or related graphics contained in this video for any purpose. Any reliance you place on such information is therefore strictly at your own risk. In no event will the creators of this video be liable for any loss or damage, including, without limitation, indirect or consequential loss or damage, or any loss or damage whatsoever arising from loss of data or profits arising out of or in connection with the use of this video. Creators of this video reserve the right to make additions, deletions, or modifications to the content at any time without prior notice. This disclaimer is subject to change without notice. Please like, share, and subscribe.